Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Google verifying your phone number error while creating a Google account. So many users have reported that they were coming across this kind of error while creating a new account. It's saying verifying your phone number, and when you click on the verify option, then this kind of error is coming. This may take a few moments and it's stuck on the same error. When you further click on next, then again you get the same error, that is saying verifying your phone number. Actually, this kind of error you get is because of the phone number in which lots of other Gmail account have been created. It means from one number you have created a lots of Gmail accounts. So this kind of error you are coming across. So what you have to do is I will show you few methods or few tricks that will surely help to resolve the problem. What you have to do, first go to your Gmail. After that, open it. Here in the above section, click on your profile icon. Click on add another account. Click on Google. Now verify it's you. After that, here you have to click on create account. Create for my personal use. After that, here you have to fill up your first name. Click on next. After that, you have to fill the basic information of your birth, gender, everything. Then click on next. After getting it, you have some suggestions. So here you are getting use mobile option. So when many users clicking on use mobile option and trying to create a new account, they were getting such kind of problem, that is verifying your phone number. So the reason I have already told you. So what you have to do is you have to select use mobile. After that, you can use your number too. So click on yes number, and after you logging it, you have to delete your one of the account that you don't use. After deleting it, go back. This time go to the YouTube section. Click on your profile icon. After that, click on accounts. After that, in the above section, you have to click on plus icon. Now you have to verify it's you. After that, here you have to click on create account for my personal use. Fill up your name over here. Then click on next. Here you have to fill the details of your birth, date, month, year, and after that click on gender and then click on next. After that, create your own Gmail address. So you have to enter your Gmail address over here. And after that, click on next option. Now here you have to enter your password. So let me enter the password. After entering password, click on next. And now you can see that you have created a Gmail account. Click on next, and after that click on I agree, and your Gmail account has been created without any phone number. So by this way you can easily create your new Gmail account without using your phone number. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.